Apply the suction mount to the very top of the windshield. The stand faces downwards. Move the telescopic rod to reach the lower edge of the adapter B. Keep the position. Pull the end of the telescopic rod to reach the front of the steering wheel. Tighten the adjustment knob a little, just enough to maintain the position. Fully stretch the telescopic rod. Lift the telescopic rod to reach the upper edge of the adapter B and hold. Tighten the adjustment knob. Fine adjustment. Loosen or tighten the adjustment knob, one click at a time. Hold the adapter S to fully retract the telescopic rod back to standby. Congratulations, you're done! How and what? How to move the occluder. Hold the adapter S. What to do in case small ball becomes detached. Just press it back in at your next safe stop. What to do in case big ball becomes detached. Just press it back in at your next safe stop. How to block the sun. Move to dispose the occluder at proper position. When disposing line of vision, rotate to less obstruct vision.